So it's second job of the day. Got a Yamaha Thundercat. So when I came out to this one a couple of weeks ago, it was flooding either one of these two carbs, and it was flooding that badly it was coming up this this pipe here and into this. I think this goes up to the front fairing. It may provide pressure for inside the carb bodies. So yeah, the carbs have had a keister carb kit fitted. I actually did this last night because I was really behind. So it's got a new float seat and a new gasket on the bottom. It ran alright actually, this bike, as long as it didn't let the fuel level get too high. So I've just come today to refit the carbs. Got a new filter on the tank. It's just a bit of a fiddle getting on the throttle cables as normal. Coolant lines to fit, and throttle cable to choke cable, all that to fit. Rewire the throttle position sensor. If I get it going, I'll put that on film as well. Okay, so this will be the first start. There is fuel in the carb, so I've just checked. So we'll just disable the pump. We'll disable the pump so we can listen to it. Put some choke on. Oh, did I reconnect the ignition coils? Because I did take them off last time. Yeah, they're connected. Okay, won't start.